This is my vintage chainsaw collection. First one over here is a Homelite Super XL, which is 60 cc's, and this one runs very good actually. This one right here is a Homelite Zip Saw. This is back in the 50s. This one right here, this is 88 cc's. This one also runs. Actually, it runs better than that Homelite Super XL right there. Up here is a Pioneer 650. It's 103 cc's. This one also runs too. This one over here is a Husqvarna 50 Rancher. It's 50 cc's. A little newer than the other ones here. But these saws right here, they get ran all the time. They don't sit on a shelf just for display for people to look at them. These saws get ran all the time. To me, these saws run better than any new saw out there today. Hopefully I'll have more saws to add to the collection. It's hard to find these old saws, especially in working condition.